If you're in the trades, you know the tools that take up the most space in your bag is the wrench set. Well, this week we have a product that will save you space in your toolbox, is quick and easy to use, and is friendly on the wallet. Introducing the Rapid Box Joint Pliers from Procore. Whether you're a plumber, an electrician, or work in maintenance, carrying around all those different sizes of wrenches is a huge pain. But it's a necessary one since you never know what you'll come across. It's either that or you use an adjustable wrench, which is cumbersome to change sizes on and can loosen during use. On these Rapid Box Joint Pliers by Procore, with just a press of the quick adjust button, you can slide the handle up and down with one hand to select your size. Once the button is released, the pliers automatically lock into place, ensuring that you'll retain the size you want and stay clamped on the workpiece. The wide jaw opening is lined with hardened, wear-resistant, serrated teeth, which provide higher torque, requiring less force by the user, all while letting them grab onto nearly any shape. Combine that with the comfortable rubber grips, and those rusted-on bolts will snap free with ease. These adjustable pliers are available in 4 different sizes: 7-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, and 16-inch. So no matter what job you're faced with, you'll know you have the tools to tackle it. Now, I'm sure you've seen this style of plier from a few high-end brands in the marketplace. So while these aren't unique in design, their price point certainly is. With similar features and build quality, these Procore pliers offer upwards of 65% in savings compared to the leading brand. So let's maximize efficiency and lighten that load with this week's featured product, the Rapid Box Joint Pliers from Procore. What's your preferred brand of pliers? Let's talk about it in the comments section. And be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with our 100% Canadian content. Thanks for watching.